Chapter 1. Install MapSmart. Begin by powering up your data collector and connecting it to your PC. Establish communication between the two by inserting the micro USB end into the bottom of the data collector and the other USB end into your PC. Windows Mobile Device Center will launch. Open your LTI email from licensing@lasertechpartners.com that contains your temporary password and copy it. Click the link to access License Manager and log in with your email address and the provided password. It is recommended to change your password at this time. Click Download Software. The BAP data collector is running Windows Mobile 6 and has a QVGA display resolution. Choose Download MSI for these options. For other data collectors, these details can be found in the manual. Some browsers may display downloaded files differently. Execute the MSI file by double-clicking on it, and then click Run. Click Next through the prompts until the installation is complete. Back on the License Manager website, click Obtain License Key. Copy the MapSmart purchase ID and paste it here. On your data collector, navigate to the MapSmart icon and tap it to launch. Here is where you'll find the machine ID. Enter the displayed machine ID into the License Manager and then click Submit. The volume upgrade requires an additional license key. Copy the purchase ID for MapSmart Volume and paste it here. The machine ID will be the same for volume. Copy it and paste it here. Click Submit. Both your license keys are now displayed in the far right column of the Purchases table. Enter the license key into your data collector and tap OK when complete. You know the key was entered correctly when the MapSmart main screen displays. To activate the volume upgrade, tap New, enter Test for file name, and choose Radial with Azimuth method. Tap Start, tap Next, and Done. Tap Measure, Calculations, and then Volume. Enter the volume license key into MapSmart. Tap OK. You'll know you have entered your key correctly because the volume setup screen displays. Chapter 2A. Assemble TruPulse 360 setup. Chapter 3. Assess stockpile. Walk around the pile to determine your best point of view for each control point. Be sure you can see the control point behind you and establish a good position where you can see any major irregularities of the pile. It's recommended to minimize the number of control points. If necessary, you can traverse onto the pile to measure anything you can't see from the perimeter. Chapter 4A, Bluetooth Communication Setup. Turn on the Bluetooth in the laser. On the data collector, tap Settings and then tap Bluetooth. Tap Add New Device and the list of Bluetooth devices in range will display. Enter the passcode 1111 and tap Next. Tap the device name and toggle on Serial Port and then tap Save. Tap COM ports to switch over from the Devices tab and add the new port. You only need to pair the laser with your data collector once. Each time you use MapSmart, you need to verify the connection between the laser and the data collector. All your equipment must be powered on. Open MapSmart, choose the Utilities menu, and select COM Setup. Select the COM port from the drop-down list. Ensure the laser is in standard HD mode. Fire the laser and you should see the laser data string appear. Chapter 5A, Start New MapSmart File for TruPulse 360. Return to the MapSmart main screen. Tap New to create a new file. Enter a unique job name. Select Radial with Azimuth mapping method. The selected units of measure must match the laser setting. With a tape, measure the height of your eye level where you'll be holding the laser down to the ground. Enter this value in the instrument height field. When shooting directly to the pile, side target height will be 0. Enter the height of your traverse targets and tap Start. Unless you have a known XYZ coordinate for your instrument position, just tap Next. You are now ready to measure your stockpile. Chapter 6, Measure the Pile. From the MapSmart main screen, begin taking toe shots, starting at the far left end of the pile. Enter toe in the note field. Tap Add to Pick List, then tap Done. Check Auto to finish all the toe shots from this position. Uncheck Auto. Aim at the first pile shot and fire the laser. Enter Pile in the note field. Tap Add to Pick List